guys, today I will be sharing to you about how to do citation using Google Docs. So first of all, you have to search article related to the assignment, and to do that we have to go to Google Scholar and search the start. At this page you can use any article that you want that related to your study, and before And one tip from me, before clicking any articles that are here, click at this site and see the general look before you cite the article in your assignment. So this is what it will look like when you cite it in your assignment. Next, you open a blank Google Docs and start to type your assignment. Here I have done a complete assignment, and after you have done your assignment, just click at Tools and click at Citations. At here, we can look that this citation is MLA 8 edition. So we are using a APA 7th edition format, so we just change it to APA 7th edition format and click at Citation Source. And at here, choose any source type that you are using. So for me, I'm using journal article, and it was accessed by website, and fill in any column that's related to your article. So first of all, the author name. If the article is written by more than one author, you can just click at this contributor and fill out this column, and if it is from a corporation or organization, you can just click that and it will change the column. If there is no author, you just can delete it. And next, we fill in the article title, which is Type 1 Diabetes and the journal title. Here there is a column for volume, issue, pages, published day, published month, published year, published season, and the others. So if there's any column that are related to the article, you just can fill in the column, and if there's no, you can just leave it blank. So the pages for the article is, and the published day, it was published on 22nd of May 1986. And lastly, you just have to copy and paste the link that you have used. And there we go. And click at citation source. If there is any fact that you use from the article, you can just click at the end of the sentence, like here, for example, and just click at cite, and it will insert the cite source. And lastly, to do a bibliography or references, we just go to the last page and click anywhere on the page and set the alignment to center to it will look more tidy, and just click insert reference, and there we go. We have done the references And if you want to change the paragraph to center, you can just change it here, or you want to make it smaller, you can just click here, and done. We have done the citation.